Past Iran's busy cities and old ruins, there's a secret world, the charming villages. These hidden gems are often overlooked by travelers who focus on the bustling urban centers or the ancient historical sites. Yet, they hold a unique charm and offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. Tucked away in rolling hills and green valleys, these villages show us a simpler, truer way of life. The landscapes are breathtaking, with lush greenery and picturesque settings that seem to be taken straight out of a storybook. Time slows down here, and nature sets the pace. The hustle and bustle of modern life feel like a distant memory as you immerse yourself in the tranquility of these serene settings. The air is clean and smells like wildflowers, and birds are singing. The natural beauty of these villages is complemented by the sounds of nature, creating a symphony that soothes the soul. Life in these villages is like a beautiful handmade blanket, woven with traditions, kindness, and a deep love for the land. The villagers engage in traditional activities that have been passed down through generations, preserving their cultural heritage. Come with us as we explore the magic of Iranian village life, where simple living and delicious food are the real treasures. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the villagers as they welcome you into their homes and share their way of life. As the sun comes up, painting the village gold, a new day starts. The villagers, with hearts as warm as fresh bread, greet each other with smiles and friendly words. Men work in the fields, their hands caring for the land like their families have done for years. Women, the heart of the village, get water from the well, their laughter filling the narrow streets. Children, their eyes bright with happiness, chase butterflies in the fields, their giggles like music. Life here is simple but very beautiful. The most important part of every Iranian village home is the kitchen. It's where love and family recipes come together in every dish. Here, old cooking ways handed down from grandmothers and great-grandmothers turn simple food into amazing meals. Clay ovens cooled sit in courtyards, their smoky smell making everyone hungry. Over open fires, burning sweet-smelling wood, women skillfully make dough for the flatbread eaten with every meal. The rhythmic thump of the dough is a cozy sound that's been heard for centuries. A delicious mixed tastes of the village. The culinary traditions of Iranian villages are a true testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Each dish tells a story, passed down through generations, and is a celebration of the land and its bounty. Iranian village food is all about fresh ingredients that are in season, full of flavor and wonderful smells. The markets are brimming with vibrant colors and the freshest produce, handpicked by the villagers. These ingredients are the heart and soul of every meal, ensuring that each bite is a burst of natural goodness. Herbs, grown in gardens and fields, add their special touch to every dish. These aromatic herbs, such as mint, parsley and cilantro, are carefully tended to and harvested at their peak. They bring a unique flavor profile that is both refreshing and invigorating, making each dish truly special. From the zing of limes to the warm smell of saffron, every ingredient is important in this delicious mix. The use of spices like turmeric, cumin, and cinnamon adds depth and complexity to the dishes, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. One favorite village dish is abgusht, a hearty stew with lamb, chickpeas, and vegetables, cooked slowly until it's perfect. This dish is a staple in many households, known for its rich and comforting flavors. The slow cooking process allows the ingredients to meld together, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures. The tender meat, soaking up the spices and vegetables, melts in your mouth. Each spoonful is a testament to the patience and love that goes into making this traditional dish. It's a true comfort food that brings families together around the table. Another favorite is gourmet sabzi, a fragrant herb stew, its bright green color showing how fresh it is. This dish is a celebration of herbs, with a medley of greens like fenugreek, parsley, and cilantro, cooked to perfection. The addition of dried limes gives it a tangy kick, making it a beloved dish in Iranian cuisine. The village girl, a cooking star. In a pretty village nestled in the hills, a beautiful young woman named Soraya is making dinner for her family. She moves gracefully and carefully. With every sprinkle of saffron and every stir of the pot, she adds love and family tradition to the food. Her long dark hair held back with a bright scarf frames her pretty face, Her eyes shine with the joy of cooking. As she works, she hums a pretty song, a tune from her grandmother, as cozy and familiar as the smells filling the kitchen. Flavors and memories. In the heart of Iran, food is more than just sustenance. It is a celebration of life, culture, and family. Each dish tells a story, a narrative passed down through generations, rich with history and tradition. As the sun goes down, making long shadows across the village, the air cools and the sky turns a beautiful shade of orange and pink. This is the time when the village comes alive with the sounds of preparation for the evening meal. Families come together to enjoy the food they've grown and cooked. The process of cooking is a communal activity where everyone has a role, from the youngest to the oldest. It's a time of bonding, of sharing stories and laughter. The air is filled with laughter and talking, the joy of being together. Conversations flow easily, bridging the gap between generations, connecting the past with the present. The sounds of spoons against bowls like a happy song, a melody that signifies togetherness and the simple pleasures of life. Each clink and clatter is a note in the symphony of family life. The food, full of the tastes of tradition and love, is prepared with care and attention to detail. Every ingredient is chosen with thought, every spice added with a purpose, creating a tapestry of flavors that is both unique and familiar. It is good for the body and the heart. Sharing these meals, families make memories, tell stories, and grow closer. Each meal is an opportunity to connect, to reflect, and to appreciate the richness of their heritage. The magic of Iranian village life stays with you long after the last bite, lingering in your heart and mind. The serene beauty of the village, the warmth of the people, and the delicious food create an experience that is unforgettable. A mix of flavors and memories woven into who we are. These moments, these meals, are more than just sustenance. They are a celebration of life, a testament to the enduring spirit of family and tradition.